This is my Python project number 3. It's going to be the password generator. The goal was to create a program that gives you a random password, and then the design use the password generator. We use two main functions, a while loop and the random function. And during the build, we created a function that includes the password length and the strings that will be used in the password. For the while loop, we had to keep going until it stopped with desired password length. Then we used the random function to select random strings that would make up the password. Here's the program. And then when we were testing it out, the program didn't work at first because the body of the while loop was not properly written and the length of the while loop was incorrect. When we rewrote it, we fixed the while loop and the length. Okay. And then this is when we tested it out later.
Can you run your code?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So, do you guys have any questions? No? So, okay, can you explain to me, can you bring up your code on the screen? So, can you explain to me why you are choosing a random number between 0 and length of password strings -1?
Here.
Yeah. Yeah, there.
So the computer usually picks between, it starts at 0, and we usually start at 1, so we have the -1 so that it gets the correct one for our input.
Okay, and then after it chooses the random number, how would you choose the string? Like, what does that number do for you to choose the string above, like the random string?
What does the -1 do? Or
Like, what does the return value of the random number, like J? What does J do? What is the role of J?
J is everything in here. Like, are you saying what is that made up of, I guess?
Yeah, so is J like, basically J is a random number, right?
Yeah.
That you choose. And then how would you connect it back to those
To the one
X, Y, Z, and V? Yeah.
So it basically chooses one at random when you input which list you want to choose it from, or which variable you want to choose it from. So here, PW strings would be either whatever you want to put on this side.
Okay.
Right, and then it would go up to the top, it selects from whatever list you chose, and subtract 1.
Okay.
From that.
All right, good. Thank you.